If 48% of students in a certain college are female and there are 1440 female students, what is the total number of students in the college? So the percentage of female students, percentage of females is 48%. And what this percentage equals to in numbers or in head count is, I'll just label this as head count, is 1440. What is the total number of students in the college? Now let's bring this data into a form that is easier for us to understand. So let's try and bring things into perspective. So 48% of the total student body, which we don't know what is right now, so let's label the total number of students as x. So 48% of x is 1440. Now if we solve for x, we should get the total number of students, because 48 parts out of 100 of this total number is 1440. So 48 parts out of 100 multiplied by x equals to 1440. This is 4. So 1440, and we can multiply both of these fractions. In fact, this isn't a fraction, so I'll make this a fraction. Now it's a fraction, so 48 over 100 can be multiplied by x over 1. Now adding a 1 in the denominator doesn't really make any difference to the value of the number. It's just easier for us to solve and to understand and to follow through. So 48 over 100, let's multiply the numerators first, and that gives us 48x. And then we follow through with the denominator. So 100 multiplied by 1 gives us 100, and 48x over 100 equals to 1440. Now again, since there's this equation, in fact this equals to sign in between both of these values, we can cross multiply, which again means we should add a 1 below 1440, just to make it easier for you to understand. So multiplying 48x by 1 gives us 48x, and multiplying 1440 by 100 gives us 1440 and plus 2 zeros. So that's 144,000. Now since we're supposed to find x, let's make x the subject, and let's shift 48 to the other side of the equals to sign. Now remember that since 48 and x are being multiplied, if I shift 48 to this side of the equals to sign, it is going to be divided by the number that is already on this side. So 144,000 divided by 48. Now let's see what we get when we divide 144,000 by 8. In fact, sorry, 48, and that equals 3,000. So x equals to 3,000, and x was our total number of students. So x equals to 3,000. So there are a total of 3,000 students in the college.